What's up? It's August 9th, and I have some guys here today doing the rebar for the grade beams. It's been about a month wait to actually get someone to do this, and they're working on it today. The rebar for the grade beams is exactly like the rebar for the caissons. They have the longer rebar poles, for lack of a better term, and those are connected by the square ties that are tied on with tie wire. I know this because I tried doing it myself for a little bit. Sometimes they need to actually cut the rebar pieces to make them fit, which is something I didn't know how to do when I tried to do this myself. And there he is actually tying the tie with tie wire. The foundation guys are making a lot of progress, very quickly actually. They've put up a lot of rebar and more forms, as you can see. They are actually putting the forms a little higher than they had them before, because we're going to need stem walls there because the ground is so high compared to where the finished floor is going to be. There's lots of flies out right now. I don't know why there's so many flies. What did we learn today? I tried to put together the rebar on my own at one point. I conveniently left out that video. Even though it was a pretty good video, I think it was pretty entertaining, me trying to put together the rebar on my own. I did the whole thing, and then the guy who was doing it came back and took a look at it and quit on me. So I took it all apart, hoping that he would come back, and he never did, so I had to hire a new company. What I learned is that you shouldn't try to tie rebar on your own. You know, it's doable, but when it's going into the foundation of your house, DIY. Don't do it yourself.